Free website plus professional URL in 1 minute. Fast and free. Want a free website with a professional URL in just a minute? This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to host your website for free using Cloudflare Pages. No coding, no hidden costs, simple and easy. Launch your site in just a few clicks for free with a professional URL. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this helped you. Let's go. Create your free website. 1. Go cloudflare.com. 2. Sign up or log in with Google. 3. Click Add a Site, top right corner. 4. Select Pages. Choose Direct Upload. 5. Upload your website files, HTML, CSS, JS, from your computer. 6. Set your site name, yoursite.pages.dev. 7. Done. Your website is now live for free. That's it. Your website is up and running with zero cost. Want to download free websites? Visit stampsync.com for more. Don't forget to follow, comment, and take advantage of all the amazing tools we have for you. Enjoy building your free website with ease.